Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll share with you authentic steamed Hilsha fish recipe with only 3 ingredients. It's a very yummy dish and easy to make recipe. For making steamed Hilsha fish, we need ingredient: Hilsha fish pieces, yellow mustard seed, some green chili, salt, cooking oil and turmeric powder. For making this recipe, I took 3 thick pieces of Hilsha fish, season it with half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Rub the masala well over the fish pieces. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Salt and turmeric powder will absorb some moisture from fish, and turmeric powder helps to remove the odor of raw fish. In a grinder jar, add 2 tablespoons yellow mustard seed. Before adding, clean it with wet cloth. Then add a teaspoon salt and 2 green chili. Grind it roughly and then add 2 tablespoons water and blend into a smooth paste, and add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. In the grinder jar, add little water and pour into the prepared paste. In a flat tiffin box, put the fish pieces, then pour the prepared mustard paste. Keep aside for 20 to 25 minutes. Add 3 to 4 slitted green chili and mustard oil. Without mustard oil, this recipe is incomplete, so add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Close the lid properly. In a flat kadai, add water and a stand. Over the stand, put the tiffin box. Cover it with a glass lid and steam for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Our yummy Hilsha fish curry is ready for serving. It's a Bengali authentic recipe. While making paste, some people add poppy seed and curd, but I made it exactly in authentic way. It's the flavor of Bengal. Try this recipe once, and if you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.